Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set up Klarna for your business. First, open your preferred browser on your phone and search for Klarna. Tap the official Klarna website from the top search result. Once the site opens, make sure you're logged in to your account. Then tap the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. From the menu, select For Business, then tap Get Started. Now fill in the required details, your business email, e-commerce URL, and country of registration. Once done, tap Continue. Next, select your business size by choosing your annual revenue. Then pick the products or services your business offers. Make sure everything is accurate before moving on. Finally, fill in the remaining business details as requested. After that, your Klarna business account setup will be complete. And that's it. You've successfully set up Klarna for your business. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.